Hello guys, I'm teacher. This video I'm gonna talk about how was my pedagogical practice. So I'm gonna start. My name is Andrea Torres Hernandez. I am 22 years old. I am from Cuto Norte, Santander. I am studying at the Bachelor of the Foreign Languages with emphasis in English and Math. The name of this subject is teaching English to children, adolescents, and adults. I was assigned to the Lillet Strategy program where they look for students with high level of English to help those who are start their learning process in this area. I worked with the group on Saturday and Sunday. In the morning, I worked with the group A, and in the afternoon with the group B. The pedagogical practice is important and benefit because it responds the spirit has a method for test the analysis, interpretation, action by incorporating pedagogical knowledge into the school context. In addition, it enables communication in relation to a knowledge method and teaching and a learning material. That is very important because when I learn a lot, but a lot of things that I can do when I want to prepare some class. When I want to prepare some class, I learn different things that I need to improve, that I need to push in my in my in my class. So for the second is the pedagogical practice are the various actions that the teacher executes to allow the process and integrate information in the student. The teacher must skills actions as such as teach, communicate, society experience because that is very important. The society experience because when I have I have a lot of experience about that's that's the pedagogical practice because I learned a lot of things. I learned some topic that I didn't know. I learned a lot of to technology that I didn't know. Uh, I start to improve my English for the virtual environment. Uh, Different for everyday life, evaluate cognitive process, and even relate to different contexts. The teacher practice allow the in, inter to exercise their future profession, learn at growing personality and professionally. One point to know is that teaching involves more than the transmission of the knowledge. That is so very important. From the educator to the student may think that teacher jobs is easy. Well, the last part I'm gonna talk some things that relay can be improved your environment, the virtual environment. So the first is the teaching process is self-communicate with the student, therefore it's necessary to speak you say properly so that the student can understand what is being taught about. That is very important because Lilay need to improve their the teacher because some teacher need to didn't know how to teach you your area in a virtual environment. So that's I think I consider that they need to improve their teacher according to the technology. The second is punctuality. Punctuality is very important. Arriving early to class is quality that view a lot than to attend to detail are needed then start class and your student will appreciate. But in the same way, one of the I my recommendation is when the student need to arrive early because it's very important because if you one student arrive early, can can speak with teacher, can say teacher, I see you need to improve that, you need to improve that, you need to do that. So that's I consider that the student the student must punctuality. Yeah, much punctuality. Third, that would be more for me is, well, that's that I consider that I need to improve is knowing more about the use of the technologies always brings a change for the teacher. However, using audiovisual elements will allow us to get more out of the media and motivate their attention of our students. Because in this semester I working with Skype, but I know they need to improve. I need to use other technologies like Meet, Zoom, that where I can teach better my class. So I consider that I need to improve that way. Uh, well, guys, thank you for watching my little interview. I hope so that you understand everything that I say. If you need to give me some recommendation, just do it. That I appreciate a lot. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, teacher. Bye. See you next.